Is the India First Life Guaranteed Pension Plan your key to a stress-free retirement or just another promise on paper? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings deferred annuity plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are you get to choose from 5 annuity options to ensure a steady income for life tailored to your needs, and you get return of purchase price, which is you can secure your nominee's future by ensuring the premium amount is returned to them, and you also get to pay for a limited term but enjoy lifelong annuity payouts. And you can either opt for single or joint life annuity, and you can select escalating life annuity and enjoy a growing annuity income every year. And you get to stay covered against 20 critical illnesses, so you get to receive the purchase price to support treatment cost when needed most. So these are some key features of the policy, and benefits like death benefit and survival benefit will differ based on the plan option you have opted for, and also if you have opted for a single life or joint life. So it will differ based on these factors. So there are some advantages which we will look into. So you get to choose to pay your premiums annually, half yearly, quarterly or monthly as per your convenience, and in the event of death or on diagnosis of a critical illness, this plan ensures financial support through return of the purchase price. And you also get a deferment period which matches your premium payment term, giving you clarity and predictability in your retirement planning. And you also receive annuity payouts monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually based on your financial needs. So these are some of the advantages. However, the disadvantages are policy loans are available but only during the deferment period, and your annuity payouts are fully taxable as per the prevailing income tax laws, and your invested amount remains illiquid, limiting access to funds in emergencies. So these are some drawbacks that you need to consider before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis by calculating the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us assess how it fares against alternative investments. So here, for calculation purpose, let us now assume that a 55-year-old individual opts for plan option C, which is life annuity with return of purchase price on death. So he pays an annual premium of 2 lakhs for 10 years, making the total investment 20 lakhs. The deferment period is also 10 years. Starting from the end of the 11th year, he receives a lifetime annuity of 1,70,178 rupees per year, continuing until death. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the nominee receives a return of purchase price of 20 lakhs upon his death. So based on this cash flow, the IRR works out to be just 5.37% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Even traditional debt instruments or fixed deposits typically offer higher post-tax returns, especially over a similar time horizon. Moreover, the invested corpus is locked in, so significantly limiting liquidity in case of financial emergencies. So while the plan offers guaranteed income, it underperforms on 2 key fronts: returns and flexibility. So investors seeking better yield and liquidity may find more suitable alternatives, which we are going to explore in the following part of the video, which is the comparative analysis. So as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, so instead of combining insurance and investment, we are going to invest the same premium we use for India First policy in insurance and investment separately, just to see whether it can give us better returns. So here let us consider an alternative strategy using the same example as before. So for life cover, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 20 lakhs for a 10-year term, which costs us just 32,200 rupees annually. So that leaves us with 1,67,800 rupees from the original 2 lakh premium to invest annually. So here, if you invest 1,67,800 rupees annually in an equity mutual fund, at the end of 10 years, the pre-tax corpus grows to 38.98 lakhs. After capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus stands at 31.11 lakhs. So if this corpus is then invested in an instrument yielding 7% per annum, it can support annual withdrawals of 1.70 lakhs, matching the annuity payout, and still grow to 52.32 lakhs by age 85. This results in an IRR of 7.28%, significantly higher than the 5.37% IRR offered by the pension plan. So the benefits of this strategy are: you get better returns, liquidity is something you can access your funds anytime, and also flexibility, which is you can use the corpus for other goals or step up withdrawals to beat inflation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the India First Life guaranteed pension plan worth it or not? So, as this policy promises a steady income stream throughout retirement, you can see the plan returns are modest, making it less suitable for long term retirement needs. Its rigid cash flow structure leaves little room to accommodate unexpected expenses during post retirement years, and it also has a high agent commission. Moreover, the entire corpus remains locked and only annuity payouts are allowed, offering no access to the investment amount. For many, the guaranteed annuity does not adequately compensate for this lack of flexibility and lower yield. So, why this plan may not suit you is returns are not competitive when compared to other long term investment. The locked in corpus restricts liquidity, and there is no flexibility to deal with emergencies or changing needs. And retirement is personal, and there is no one size fits all solution. So, instead of opting for ready made pension plans, consider building your own corpus by regularly investing in a diversified portfolio that includes equities for long term growth, fixed income instruments for stability, and other asset classes based on your risk profile. So once you have accumulated the desired corpus, you can allocate a portion to debt instrument for steady income and keep a portion in equity to counter inflation. This balanced and flexible approach ensures that your corpus not only lasts a lifetime but also adapts to your evolving needs.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.